Hi everyone, Steve LePage here with another edition of Quickshots. AMSOIL takes great pride in the fact that our products are the highest quality and designed to meet the requirements of the world's many automotive and power sports needs. In today's Quickshots installment, AMSOIL product specialist Brett Granmo focuses on our new aerosol called Mudslinger. Brett?
Thanks, Steve. Mudslinger launched August 8, 2018 with two additional new aerosols, glass cleaner and engine degreaser. When we started the development of Mudslinger, we wanted to design a product that would create a non-stick surface for off-road equipment like dirt bikes, ATVs, and UTVs. There are some competitor products out there today, such as Maxima SC1, but we think that you'll find our Mudslinger outperforms the competition in four key areas with the power sports enthusiast in mind. First, it provides a protective layer of armor against the accumulation of mud, dirt, snow, and other debris. If you're going riding in a wet or muddy environment, we suggest that you spray a thick coat of Mudslinger on the application and leave it on wet to help prevent debris accumulation. If you're going riding in a dry area or dusty environment, we suggest that you spray a thick coat of Mudslinger on your application, let it soak in for 10 to 15 minutes, and wipe dry. If left wet, a thin layer of dust can accumulate on areas treated with Mudslinger. It is possible for some mud, dirt, and debris to start sticking to your equipment depending on the composition of the soil you are riding on. However, no matter what the riding condition is, Mudslinger will help repel that heavy buildup of dirt. Second, it eases cleanup after riding, helping the mud and dirt release easily with low pressure water, like a garden hose. You must use Mudslinger as a pre-treatment before riding. The Mudslinger chemistry will allow water to quickly and easily wash away the filth. Third, it restores, cleans, and shines plastic, fiberglass, and painted surfaces. We all want to look as good as we ride. Perhaps your equipment is new and still shiny, but if you've had it for some time and it's lost its luster, Mudslinger will help rejuvenate the plastic and painted surfaces to nearly new condition. And fourth, it provides a protective layer to counteract the damaging effects of the sun's UV rays. With extended sun exposure, your equipment can tend to fade or crack, losing its color and shine. Treating these surfaces with Mudslinger will help prevent UV damage. Mudslinger is an exciting new product that has many applications. It even comes in a pleasant cherry scent. Currently, there are no restrictions on where it can be sold in the US. Make sure you read the directions thoroughly on the can for proper application. The last thing we want is for you to spray the seat of your ATV to make it shine, but also make it slippery so you fall off while riding. Steve, back to you.
Thanks, Brett. AMSOIL continues to be on the cutting edge when it comes to new product development and helping you sell new products like Mudslinger. That's Quickshots for now. We'll see you again next time.